In the morning, Milo sleeps peacefully on the sofa. He stretches front legs, then back legs. Milo sits staring at plain wall. He walks to his blue food bowl. He sniffs dry food and eats slowly. He drinks water, 3 sips or 4. Milo sits by window, watching leaves move. Bird lands nearby, flies away. Milo doesn't react. He cleans himself, stares blankly. Milo takes a light nap. He lies in sunlight on floor, adjusting as sun moves. Someone passes. He opens eye, closes it. In evening, he eats same food. He returns to sofa, circles few times, sleeps. Nothing changed. Milo comfortable.